Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're playing the Lucky Block. That's why I have a lucky block on my head. What the heck? Why does my head look like that? Probably to a flying lucky
Nakakarating lang kasi
block. It look like it's jumping. What? What the heck is his brain at? Bro. 1 million per second. Oh my gosh. The one. What the heck? Tabi sonti 1 liter. I don't know what they
Kahit chat mo siya, ako hindi ko rin naman may. Kanina kayo kung nakapapasok.
And the username. Oh, okay. Username.
May ano yun si
Okay, for that. Oh.
Wala talaga pumasok kanina gaano. Ang luwag-luwag ng school kanina. Kaya alam mo may ganyan si Mami.
Jake 001
Nasa slide, nasa
Tapos
slide.
kanina,
61.
sabi pagdating ng mama ni Malia,
Sakit, 5.
sabi ni mama ni Malia, 3 lang daw yung aakyat ah. Sabi ni Juby,
Okay,
syempre
let's
parang
wait
nadidismaya
for-
din kasi iba eh. Mari.
No way I'm getting a
Pasok na, Jer.
Grade.
Pasok na isa.
What the heck?
Pasok na isa.
Damn. What's your name?
Huwag yan, huwag ganyan, huwag ganyan.
Username. What the? Jake 001
Kaya nga.
No way I got. I got the hat.
Oo, yung huli
I
yung
thought
last.
it was
Yung last.
Seriously?
Pansin mo.
Paarang tao.
Hindi, maganda ka kasi Mari. Yung ibang grade, diba?
Wait a minute.
Yung ibang grade mo. Kay Ashley. Kay Ashley muna yung ani natin. Kasi nakikita ko naman yung card niya. Yung ibang grade ni Ashley nakaraan. Yung
Mababa
may
ko ng
mataas
fan
kasi
till
Ashley,
you go
diba?
to heaven.
Oo.
You're going to the heaven because I'm selling you.
Kaya siguro bumase din si ma'am sa mga tahimik.
What the heck is
Kasi
this black about?
syempre sa atin.
What the heck is this
Suki-suki sa...
The one is red.
Pinapagalitan ni teacher eh.
Graphite? What the heck? No, open. I'll lock the block open and lock the block.
Akala ko nga si Saji papasok. Kasi di ba, yung second grading saka third grading, pinagmamalaki
What
niya
is
lagi si
PDP?
Saji.
1.6
Sa amin,
mil. I'll take
Di ba
that.
nung second grading saka third grading, ang pinagmamalaki niya magaling talaga
Yeah.
sa si Saji. Tapos si
Yeah.
Saji,
Why is Granny so fast?
di ba?
I don't even know what that. Oh, cowboy's back.
Di ba?
It didn't say cowboy. What the heck?
Siyempre ikaw bilang nanay.
Bye, I'm going to
nandidismaya
someone's
ka din,
place.
di ba?
Farmer's place.
Mas matataas.
I need more speed.
May perfect din naman si Saji ng exam, di ba?
Ay, wala talaga. Di ako makakita.
Granny, don't touch me. I said,
Ano mo kasi yan?
Granny, you're fake. No.
Periodical.
Malilipat natin.
What the heck?
Ashley din.
What the heck?
Ganyan din.
Alam mo, napakaduwag mo.
Is Yoni OP? No way, I've got to
Si Ashley din yan.
Guys, nananayakan tayo.
Ano?
What happened? Guys, I have to check. So I just joined back because I think it's just a little bit lag or bad. What the? Can you give me that? Can you give me someone? Yes, our internal.
Ilang basa mo kasi
What the heck is internal?
bago mag-switch.
Boys, na naman dito. Ano ba nangyari?
Baba Mafia.
Mami Rhea?
Where's Mafia sauce? He still always got.
Kailangan tayo. Palibasa mga kuha sa mga tao dito.
Dalawa lang kami auto sa kanila.
Baba, I don't wanna hug you. You're so.
Oo, 90 lang.
Mom, it is faster. Bro, can you give me some?
Bagal-bagal mo.
Give me some, bro, per second.
Sige, sige.
That's literally a beast. Beast? Oh yeah, beast. Oh, this guy is cool. Out of my space, so that Granny never catch me again. My gosh, I can catch me. No way catch me from the line. So I still catch you when you're in the line. Is Granny hacking?
Tumatay lahat.
I got a net of
Lahat talo.
Jump! Yes, sir. So you jump and you get.
Upang performing lang.
Wait, I still have to.
Tapos wala pa yung mga
Yes, go! I love you.
Tinamad na.
We need to reach 5 mil to that one.
Tinamad na.
How do you get 5 mil when I only make 100,000? It makes 60,000. Bro, this guy's trash. Can you give me some?
Pero dapat, nag-base pa rin siya doon sa in-explain niya sa
Can you give me? Oh, wait, I will pass. So what's the last
Hindi pa naman natin alam kung ano average natin ngayon for clean.
Ganda yan, be.
premium? First the
Basta na
money.
tayo bago mag-switch.
Premium, I see. Wait, is premium good?
Tante naka-spot tayo bago mag-switch.
Wala. Oo.
It's not ordinary things, but
Eh, di ba
I think
tayo
it's a
simula
blood
first
rock.
grading hanggang second grading?
I think
Puro
you
ganun,
can
di ba?
just what the heck is that?
Okay, dalawa.
Guys,
Bakit
up
nung siya
that?
kahit lima sila yung umakyat sa stage, okay
No
lang.
way, I got no way, I got the
Lahat
special.
yung 90 pataas.
I think
Siya naman eh. Ito lang naman tayo eh. Ano ka ba?
Di ba? Yung kay Ash.
bro, give me this.
Kinulang mata tayo niya, kaya tayo nandito.
Sabi ni Nubi dito,
Sinasabi
makadalaw
na.
sa'yo kasi nagpapagawa yata. May pinapagawa yata dito kahit.
Short ka, short.
Bye, Lip. Bye, Mafia. Bye, Granny. Oh! Nakaubos ka. Let's see what cow we get. Wow.
Eh, sabi ko nga nung may pinuntahan
They get the
ko,
orangutini.
sa Nabota, sabi ko, tinaanan niya.
Bye, Granny.
Pasilip man lang kita. Sabi
Oh,
ko,
it's fast. He's fast.
Sabi ko, talagang nagtagal na mag-usap.
What the heck is so fast?
Sakit.
He's freaking fast. Oh my god.
Iwalay na mga
Solo, eh.
Pressure. I get another one. Cut. I want the one that literally looks. Just a minute. The tires one.
Ilipat ba? Ano lang yan? Sefo ka na lang kaya?
Oh, it's wild. Bro, how long do you go there?
Meron ba yung signal?
Please. 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 Can you give me this? Please. Please. Can you give me some? Give it. No, it's gonna be Give me this money. Bro, I want that. Please give me some. Give me some. Don't AFK. Give me this. Yeah. Give me that. Give me. Give me. No way.
Mighty nga ngayon ng
I'm
mama
happy.
ni
I'm
Ate.
happy. Can you give me some, please? Can I have this?
Ay, hindi ko rin nakita kanina.
Please. Yes, more? Wait, why is it at the back? You have to go at the back. Oh, heck no. I forgot about it. It's still up there?
Ay, ako yung...
What?
Ano?
Okay, you should be hanging. Can you give me? Can you give me?
Sakit mo,
Please.
class. Grabe.
Give me some.
See? Ay, hindi talaga.
I hate this.
Di ba ko yan? Oh.
Any lift. Are you serious right of this? No, I cannot even upgrade my speed to max.
Wala ka unan. Kuha ka unan.
How much money I got? Premium. What? How do you get premium?
Kawawa naman tayo kasi
I think I
magdadal
used the cheat. Or maybe I just collect the 290. Let's go buy you and get more speed. Meow. I'm faster than you guys. Meow. Meow.
Baby, dalawa yan ha.
Heck no. Gwen is gonna be akin again.
Kinabukasan, may baseball na naman.
Yeah, exactly. Can you
Sana
give
kasi
me
naulot
some?
ng mga pre. Hindi magkakasama ng
Please.
pre.
Can you give me some? Please. Please. Hey, are you dumb? Can you give me some? It's special. Why? That's special. Please. Can you give me?
Pero kasi,
Can you give me some?
kahit sabihin
Please.
natin na okay lang
I'm
yun,
promise.
hindi ka pa rin
I'm
mag-fundraise.
Bro, just give me. Please. No, it's not giving me.
Bata pa yun.
Oh, let me
Wala pa alam.
Everything, he's gonna put it out. So he tried to flex. Are you serious? Not so good. This guy is a hack. Oh, baby that guy. Baby that guy.
Tower na, tower. Diyan na, Kay.
But I cannot even talk to them because look at my chat. I cannot even chat. Yeah. A cappuccino. Okay, that's not OP. This is OP. At diba? This is so that can I come back. This is diba? I want this keep always when I'm not. This is good. Maybe I'll do that. Don't catch me, Granny. Granny, if you catch me, I will. You are cheating. I'm about to play with your papa. No, I think I'm going to collapse. What the hell? I think that's the OG.
Nataga ka dun, Kuya.
Wait. The night? So that's a brace is the night? Boy!
Kasi yung may teacher sir, lahat yung may 90 lang yung third grading eh.
Can you give me,
Lang sila ng fourth
please?
grading eh, di ba?
Promise. Give me some. Are you dumb? I want this. 21 minutes. I feel like here's the plan. Can I have this, please?
Saka alam nila na sa
Can I have this? I forgot he has also the one
This will still be the best after 25 years. Despite all the nasty rumors, our competitors failed in bringing us down.
No. If you give it to me, I will give you some.
No snake skin. And no, wala kang kakambal na ahas. I'm the only daughter of my loving father.
You're not giving it to me.
From the States,
I'm clear. I literally smack a block and I get it and I get poop. What I get this guy? I think this guy is the mean guy.
Kasi, Mare, nag-expect na ako na hindi tayo kasama. Tayo talaga. Alam mo ba? Ang gulo yung nag-expect na ako
Can I have this banana guy?
Tinanong ko sa
When I get it, it's little make
kung ko yung mata.
I can decide mine.
Sabi ko sa kanya, teacher,
This
meron
guy
ako
is
sa stage. Sabi niya, oo, meron daw.
I'm going to
Sabi ko, ilan, ma'am? Sabi ko, ilan, ma'am? Sabi niya,
Pero after kumalat yun,
Pagigilan mo, Giro.
but look at us now.
sabi ko, ay, hindi kami kasama sa
Na, si Giro.
Oh, just give me.
surprise lang sa ibang namin.
Give me some. Can you give me this?
Pero, sabi niya tatlo. Hindi. Pero, expect ko na hindi tayo kasama noon. Kasi, yung time na yun, meron nang nabanggit sa akin si Aiza. Nagpasahod ako sa kanya sa paluwagan na binigyan daw sila ng papel para sa SSE. Tatlo lang daw sila. Kaya alam ko na kung sino yung tatlo.
Ang busy-busy yung tao, bakit dito pala ang store nyo? Isa niya ang pinili. Actually, meron po kami isang video. Doon po solo. Isinipin po
Ang ilang bilis naman,
I'm about to leave. Hey, just give me.
Nagulat niya si Aiza kasi expect niya magkakasama tayo.
Please, just give me.
Oo nga, yun. Kaya nga nagulat siya eh. Sabi niya, hindi ko kayo kasama. Bakit ganyan.
Can you give me, please?
Tayo pwede magsalita kasi si teacher lang.
Just don't know. Look at my best. I'm dumb. This is my best. And this is the best.
Sabi ko, Miyerkules, pumunta ka. Kasi awarding naman yun. Tapos sabi kasi ni teacher kanina,
I'm not doing that.
sa Miyerkules
But this game is
sabi niya,
serious.
after daw nila mag-model fight, tapos
Koreta.
isa-isa niya daw
What is
tayo
that?
dati, kasi isa-isa lang
Flip
daw
rock for brain rot. Ew. Swap to flip the rock.
Eh, kung may teacher,
Wait a minute. So the larger the rock,
after nung gagawin
the
nila,
heavier it gets. So you have to train. Stop breakfast. Oh my gosh, not to live around. How do Oh, only small rock. I have to flip the small rocks. I'm little strong.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm already rich.
Sabi ko
Wait, never mind. Drop off.
di ba kumain pa tayo nun? Kakain pa tayo, pero pa tayo.
I can get it for free. Oh my gosh. Well, they're literally not broken. They're literally.
Hindi nga, no?
Where's my base? What? Oh. Let me go here and here. You? Who is you? What the heck? Wait a minute. This game is awesome. You need a gear?
Ito lang, bukas na lang eh. Bukas na lang ang base natin. So, kailan na? B-side? B-side, tol, B-side.
Oh, yung money. So, yung money.
Solo B. Sige, sige, sige.
Oh, heck. Why is there a breath? Can you even lift this thing? I'm playing with it. I'm playing with it. Can I flip? I don't want to flip. This game is so big and thing. How do you need this?
Actually, like the collection.
Oh, thank you. Well, tonight is our rehearsal when the mall starts closing. Bawal ang manila.
B-side, ang dami. Lahat po.
My biggest teeny.
All B.
I said teeny good.
Let's just say the shredding of steel.
Guwapo niya. Pero yung pangalan niya, narinig ko kanina. Huwag ka na kasi mag-issue.
Long B, long B.
Hindi naman ako umaasa. Masama pa yung
I
pangalan.
need to be good at it.
Iba to. May intindihan niya.
Maybe only
At pag hindi,
something.
wawala ka na naman. Bakit
I'm lifting alright. I don't know what this is for. I think how much is it play? How much is it play? So, oh, this is why. This is why because he only has 4,000. Oh my gosh. Wait. Smack. Okay, I'm not smacking Venom's. Wait. What the heck? Whack and a pinata. Whack and a pinata for Bernard. A pinata? What the heck is a pinata? Do you mean the smacking the horse? The smacking horse. What is that? What the? With all I'm an absolute senior guy. Can I punch this guy? Why is the hip so hot? Even this thing the hip so up. And look at this. Oh, this is what it says. I'll take that. And I go here and it's not this color. Okay. What is he being? That's a race. Oh my gosh! Wait, he actually. And I know it. What's my best all right here? I don't even know. And I got the hippopotamus. This was the icon. How do I get faster? I'm little sure. Oh my gosh, that's a bug.
Binili ko na, boy. Para may pang-rush ako.
Close na naman kami.
You want it? Okay.
Sorry po, sir. Sarado na po kami.
Ayaw yan, ha?
Legendary.
Saan kaya si Troy?
Ay, teka lang po, tatawagan ko.
Look, eh, di naman ako nagpunta ng
Sammy.
aim. Nakasabi lang ako.
Next time you'll go to jail.
Mid, wala. Nakasabi lang ako paano pupunta ng mid.
7, 6. Yes!
Sorry ako
I'm getting
nagpunta
a
ng aim.
later.
May nagpukadose na ako.
Kaya lang yung GR tayo eh. Puro ubi nga lang eh.
And
Good.
and
Alam mo
stone.
naman, strict mother
Bakit
hen lang
gusto?
ako in front of my other babies. Baby, palipasang guwapo.
Iggy,
Why
iyan
is
mo na
clapping
si
it?
Troy ha, babalik ko na
Let
siya
me
agad.
do
Sure. Pero strict ako sa rehearsal schedule. Kaya Troy, iyatin mo lang si Sarah, tapos bumalik ka na kagad dito.
Job, job, job. Job, job.
Very, very big goose, bombing.
Okay, Sammy. You're both going to jail. Okay. You're going to jail. Going to jail right now.
Mukhang happy-happy tayo ngayon ah. Oy, Jen, nakainom ka ba? Oo. Duty po ako ngayon eh.
Okay.
Sige, bakit talaga
Sammy,
ako?
just
Ano?
get your...
Very,
Ang
very
bago,
big
next
goose,
week, lumpo tayo.
Okay, someone
Ay,
told
dala
us
akong
that.
chicks.
That's true.
Jen to oh.
bambini crostini.
Wait, there's a real one. What the heck is this? What
Trulli mero, trullicina.
the heck is 6-7? A 6-7. There's a godly one.
Tralalelo, tralala.
Ha?
Wait. Everyone's turn it to a
Ano nung gusto niya siya magdidikta ng
There's
laro?
a godly. How's a mythic?
Wala mo naman, mahusay ang puta.
What the heck
Patay
is a
lang
bear?
ano eh.
They got hit right. Oh, is that? No. I'm gonna hit by Bye-bye to your channel because it's gonna be. What the heck is this? I think this is over. I think I'm just getting some of this. What the heck is that? I'm seeing God. What is it? What did it say, God?
Acopanto elefanto.
Oh my God.
A brightening breakthrough that penetrates up to 10 layers deep.
La vacca sa
Ultimately clear skin, it's
Irini,
possible.
larila.
Honest from
Acopanto elefanto. Gorillo, boneca, ambalapu.
Oh!
Tatatata sabu. Ezok seco.
Am I gonna go?
Bocomini così.
No! Sammy, I'm getting you when I get out. Okay, you can go out.
Dali ako, boy.
Bye, Sammy. But no way. Okay. He's gonna go out with the laptop. What the fuck? But I'm come back and they're little making oh my god. I can only be by the castle.
Ingat yan, Jen.
Oh yeah, boy. I'm gonna quit this.
Sabi, tower, dalawa. Yan,
Hey! Okay, stop. Oh my god. Look at something with that thing. Oh, wait. I can even hear this. Oh my gosh, I don't know that.
Shoplifter kasi ang tanghalian ko.
Ang galing niyo talaga, Ma'am Sarah. Mas magaling
That's
pa
what-
kayo sa CCTV.
I'm a pro player.
Ang badyo, alam niyo kung yung pinakamasayang araw ko,
Talaga ho?
That's it.
nakilala kasi akong lalaki. Napakagwapo niya.
Nakilala?
Hindi ba kami nagkikita?
I'm really Ooh! If I do that, I will be a rich.
Malapit na.
Problema?
Little make memory ko.
Kailangan ko pa kasi ayusin ang sarili ko eh. Para pag nagkita
Yan sa
kami,
mga
hindi siya mabigla. Mang Badro,
Tulog na yan?
I literally want the
bakit si Sinibet na yung pinunta mo dito?
Why is this one off ka?
Di minsan hindi ka sasabihin.
Galaxy Piranha.
Oh,
But this is Piranha.
Ano
Galaxy
ba pinagsasabi mo?
Piranha. What the heck?
Galeritos.
Hindi mo. Marami lang mo talaga akong ginagawa. Saka, wala akong talaga.
Bro! What the heck? Oh my god. Sama ba ito? Red Snake.
Ricky Drop.
Oh, I guess so. Ay, 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 ay.
Pasakay! Huwag ka magsusundo ha.
Alas palalita.
Oo, umaga ako uwi. After ng duty ko.
Lagi, nagkataon ko
Okay,
ano.
Semi,
Uwi
ang
ko, ah.
kicking niya.
Ligo ka agad ha.
Gawa.
Teka ha.
No way, no way, she's gonna get me. No way. I'm ready to go.
Ang badyo.
No way.
Lumabas yung siya. Ano?
No. No.
Paano?
Ngayon lang akong ginawa ito.
Gumagawa siya na yun.
Hindi
Yan na,
ito ginagawa
sabit na.
dati.
Meal never second.
Nasa siya ngayon?
Six days. 200 bill? Heck? That one is out.
Lordo Fratelli. Gangster Putera.
Still, I gotta see what this is. If something comes,
Dito na ako sa visa. Dito na nga.
Omni.
Uy, dinaanan ng show na. Kasi na yun.
Oh yeah, this is a real one. Okay, I'm getting that back. The heaven is.
Gagi.
And
Ano?
then this one. God.
Ikaw ba yun? Yung nandun sa B?
What? Why am I using already?
Ano yun?
Bro. What did they think?
Touch ko or isa.
Excuse me, what is that? What is that?
Bombardiro Crocodile.
No, I got a
Bakit
six.
masakit?
I got a six.
Opo, ma'am. Ma'am, kaso po,
But this thing is hard
medyo ating gabi
to...
na po
Bakit?
Can someone open?
Kanino mo ba ito? Hindi ba sa akin?
Tim G.
I've drank it so much. Can I open
Mabait na ba ako?
Tralalita tralala.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, no. Yes, can I? You always get something else. Yes, just one more angel.
Natatakot ka sa akin? Bakit ba natatakot kayo lahat sa akin?
It is gonna open.
Gusto ko maging tao!
Tim G.
Thank you.
Dali na ako. Hal,
Baka ang surprise ko lang.
Sammy!
Hindi ko alam.
lakas ng TV.
Diba trabaho mo yun?
Oh my god. They're too dumb. They're too dumb. They're too
Parang
dumb!
may idea na ako kung ano.
Ricky Drop.
At tinan mo yung
Paano
TV.
kung ayaw mo pala?
Thank you.
Siguro tama na yun. Parang wala.
Ako na si Inko, pre. Si Inko?
I gotta get me naman katang get me. Oh my god, sama tayo.
Ikaw magkasiyabi.
And the second card is here, guys.
Sa regalo ko.
Don't let the next 8 letters. Yes, finally started. But one more almost. Oh my god. Escape from the glitch. This guy is cool. I think I want to select it everyone. Just put the
Ay, napil, di ka makaisa doon ah.
my god.
Ang ina, wala.
Tralalelo, tralala. Golden. Trick, track, but a
Oh my god. No way. He's cheating. He's absolutely cheating. He stole my banana. Oh my.
Ano mo?
Hindi potato.
Kaya mo na, pre.
Okay,
Papagas
the
muna
next
ako.
game. I think this is gonna
Huwag na, gago.
oh.
Prosper
So,
na putang ito.
If you made sure to watch the video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget, comment down below, share and comment. So, bye-bye!